The Human Genome Project, HGP, was an international scientific research effort that aimed to map and sequence the entire human genome. It was launched in 1990 and completed in 2003, with a primary goal of providing a complete and accurate sequence of the 3 billion DNA base pairs that make up the human genome. The HGP involved researchers from various countries and institutions, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Japan, and China, among others. It was a collaborative effort that brought together scientists from diverse fields such as genetics, molecular biology, bioinformatics, and medicine. The project utilized a combination of laboratory techniques and computational methods to determine the sequence of DNA building blocks, called nucleotides, that make up human chromosomes. This information was then used to create a reference genome, which serves as a blueprint for understanding the genetic instructions encoded in human DNA. The completion of the Human Genome Project marked a significant milestone in scientific research and had far-reaching implications for various fields. It provided researchers with a wealth of genetic information that has since been used to study human health and disease, genetic variation, evolutionary relationships, and the fundamental principles of biology. One of the major outcomes of the HGP was the development of new technologies and techniques for DNA sequencing, which have become faster, more accurate, and more affordable. This has led to advancements in genomics and personalized medicine, allowing for the identification of genetic factors associated with various diseases and the development of targeted therapies. Since the completion of the HGP, scientists have continued to build upon the initial findings and expand our understanding of the human genome. Efforts such as the 1000 Genomes Project and the ongoing research by various institutions have focused on further characterizing genetic variation among individuals and populations. Overall, the Human Genome Project revolutionized our understanding of the human genome and its role in health and disease. It has laid the foundation for subsequent research and continues to shape the field of genomics and personalized medicine.